You guys, welcome back. When I was little, I hated the smell of durian fruit, the way it sometimes smelled of strong onions. I remember giving it a try for the first time and the gag reflex immediately kicked in. My body rejected the texture and I immediately spit it out. But the tides have certainly turned, and it's actually what I crave often now, causing me to seek out all things durian flavor, whether it be ice creams, pastries, you name it. Today, I'll make a coconut sticky rice soup infused with durian flavors calledาวเหน ยวทุเรียน. Let's start with Thai sticky rice. This has been rinsed and soaking in room temperature water overnight on the counter, and it's ready for steaming. Giving it another rinse here. I like to add pandan leaves into the water and on top of the sticky rice to make this rice extra fragrant. If you haven't had pandan leaves before, it acts in the same way vanilla extract is used in desserts. It has grassy, coconutty vanilla notes and used commonly in Southeast Asian desserts. I picked up this durian fruit from my local Asian store. Unfortunately, it's hard to get fresh ones here. This one must have been frozen for quite some time. But because I love this fruit so much, it doesn't matter to me. There are many varieties of durian fruit, just like there are many varieties of apples, different flavors and aromas. This particular one is called Mon Tong, also known as golden pillow variety. Are there things that you hated eating as a child but now love to eat it? This fruit has different lobes containing the flesh inside. To cut this fruit open, I'll cut along the middle of this lobe superficially and pry the shell open to reveal the durian flesh inside. The durian is a tropical fruit native to Southeast Asia and can be identified by this hard, spiky outer shell. When you cut a fresh one open, you'll see inside a custardy flesh, usually yellow, that holds shape and gives off a strong aroma. This particular one is not too strong, it's quite mild. The aroma and flavors can range from mango and pineapple all the way to onion and garlic. That's why this is such a controversial fruit. If you've tried durian and had a bad experience, I'd give it several more chances. There may be a variety out there that you'll like. Because this one was frozen for some time, and actually is still quite frozen, it's giving me a run for my money. Typically, a fresh durian wouldn't be this difficult to open. You can see here that the flesh inside, because frozen, have shrunken and shriveled a bit away from the membrane here, and the membrane has oxidized a bit, but that's okay. The flesh here is still good, and that's all that matters. After 30 minutes, it's time to flip the sticky rice and allow the other side to steam a bit longer. Let's make a simple coconut marinade for the sticky rice to soak up. For this marinade, we'll need coconut milk, white sugar, and salt. Let's make the coconut durian soup that will smother the sticky rice. We'll need coconut milk, palm sugar, which cannot be substituted, salt. The salt added will round out the sweetness and highlight the coconut flavors. It smells incredible. Each of the durian pods contain a beautiful seed inside that'll need to be removed. The durian flesh goes into the coconut soup here. Allow to rest in the soup for a few minutes with the heat off. It will continue to infuse a lot of flavor in here. I'll be drizzling more coconut milk when I serve this to loosen up the soup a bit. I'm making a quick tea to go with my durian sticky rice. Now to assemble, add some of the marinated sticky rice to a bowl. As much of the coconut durian soup that you like, it's thickened up quite a bit. And lastly, drizzle in some coconut milk. This will loosen up everything a bit and make this dessert so refreshing. Here we have it, ข้าวเหนียวทุเรียน Durian Sticky Rice. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like, share, and subscribe if you haven't done so already. It helps out so much. I'll see you in the next video. Be safe, everyone.